Hey everybody, welcome to the Hot Years. I'm Rochelle, and if you've been here before, as I said, welcome back. If you are just finding my channel, please consider subscribing. I'm a licensed cosmetologist in Maryland. I'm 58 years old and postmenopausal, and I've never had Botox or filler yet, of course, but yeah, never. So I assume that, I worked for a lot of different companies out there as being in the beauty industry since like 1984. I worked for a lot of different cosmetic companies, been behind the chair working for many years doing hair. So I figure, I'm doing something right since I don't have Botox or filler yet. And of course I know I need it, I could use it, but I'll see. So anyway, please consider subscribing. Today's video is going to be on a very much needed Ulta beauty haul. Yes, a beauty haul. Because you can never have enough cosmetics, right? Yeah. So I'm going to go ahead and get started right into it, because it's probably going to be a long video because I got a lot of stuff. But before we get started, I would like to invite you to take a look at my jewelry that I made. Like, this is 2 bracelets, okay, that are connected with these pretty magnetic clasps. And in previous videos, I usually state that I'm doing this to build a business. One of my passions, not only is it hair and cosmetics, it's also making jewelry. So I made this that I have on. Okay, as I said, it's 2 bracelets connected together, and I made this one also. Don't know if you can see that. There's the clasp, and I've also made this one. It's a little bouquet of heart flowers on there. Okay, so I also make earrings and different things. And if you go to my web store called thebeatedjewelstore.com, okay, so it's www.thebeatedjewelstore.com. Okay, I figure I better throw that in there. Okay, and I'm going to have a fan on if you can hear that, because we're very close to the camera in case I get a hot flash, so to cool me off, but it's kind of hitting my eyes, so I'm just going to move it a little bit out of my way. Hold on, guys. There we go. Okay, that's better. So let me get started, because I got a lot of stuff, and here is the bag. Yay! And the first thing I'm going to show you is, of course, the Lancome Eaton mascara, right? Because everybody loves the Lancome mascara. So this is what I have on today. Okay, I'm wearing it. It's a great mascara, and Lancome is known for their mascara. I love the brush. Okay, the brush is perfect. It's slightly oval to push up your lashes. It's not bulky. The bristles on there are not bulky, so I really love that. And another item I got is called ColourPop, and this is Super Shock Cheek. This is for your cheek, so it's like a cream cheek blush, okay, which I love. And I use a regular powder brush to put this on with. Okay, I told myself I was going to stop saying so much. I don't say that in person when I talk to people. When I get on this camera, I don't know what happens. So anyway, this is called Drop of a Hat Super Shock Cheek by ColourPop. It's really pretty. It's really pretty. It's very bronzy, so I have it on my cheeks, okay, and I also have it on my lips. That's what I'm wearing on my lips. So I lined my lips with my favorite lip liner by Rimmel, which is Cafe au Lait. I'm trying to talk faster so I can get more in my video, but I'm not a fast talking person. Even when I was young, in my 20s and all, I still wasn't a fast talking person. I was always like a Kardashian talking person. I don't follow them, but I noticed they don't really talk fast either. So I think I maybe slowed down because I kind of stumble over my words. But this is really cool. It goes on super creamy and there I said, again. It goes on, it feels really silky, smooth, creamy, and it goes on really nice. And then that's what I use on my lips. I just take it and fill in my lip liner, and there you go. It's great. Gives you that great pop of color, and this is going to be great for summer. So that's really cool. Okay, then I got the NYX Finishing Powder. It's HD Finishing Powder. This is in shade Banana, and I also have this one also all over my face. I'm really liking this. Okay, and then I saw this there when I was checking out. They didn't have it out yet. This is also by ColourPop. It's Disney's Bambi. Hope you can see that. Okay, and this is eyeshadow. You see that? These are really pretty. Now they're more like fall colors to me, but they were so pretty, and I always love when they have the Disney collection, you know, so I had to get it, right? Isn't that cute? So I did use the dark brown shade in my crease today. Okay, and then I bought this bronzing powder by Revolution. Love Revolution. Okay, this is called Bronzer Reloaded Long Weekend, and I also have this on today. Used it, some contour under my cheekbones there. So, and this is really, also really pretty. Has a little bit of shimmer to it. Got a bunch of palettes by ColourPop. There we go, isn't it pretty? So this is an eyeshadow palette. It's called Off Melrose, and this is so cool. Look at this. Look at their shades. I haven't tried it yet. Okay, and then I got, ta-da, look at this case. This is right up my alley. LA Girl, VIP. There we go. So this is their Desert Dream eyeshadow palette. Let's see. Ooh, nice big mirror you have there. You can see me recording you. And that's my picture I have up on the wall in back of the camera. There you go. So let's see here. Let's pick it up and look at these bright colors. Look at that. These colors are so pretty. Can't wait to use these. And of course I look good in every color. I actually do. I really do. Anyway, I just moved my camera. Hold on. So let's see what we have. Another palette by LA Girl. Pro Mastery Eyeshadow Palette. There we go. This is nice. So you have some matte shades in here along with the shimmer. And they got this clear thing over it. Ah. Come on. There we go. Look at that. How cool is that, huh? Look how pretty that is. Very pretty. So you have some matte shades in here. You got your shimmers. They're just really nice. Really nice. And on the plastic that covers it, I don't think you're gonna see that. It has all the names of the colors. Okay. Oops. Hit my camera again. Okay, so let's do this one. Is this BH Cosmetics? Yeah. They must have changed their logo. Of course, I haven't been out shopping in forever. I wonder why. I guess it's BH Cosmetics. There we go. This says Easter all over it, doesn't it? It sure does. Easter's in 2 weeks. Today is March 21st. And again, these have some shimmer and matte shadows in there. I like when they combine that. It's nice. This is Revolution. Yeah. Vintage Lace Blush. Oh my god, this is so pretty. Look at that. I got it open. Look at that. Isn't that pretty? Let's see which one. I'll swipe the dark one. Look at that. That's the dark color here. Oh my gosh, this is gonna be perfect for spring, summer. Revolution. Love this stuff. It's like a grab bag. I'm just grabbing stuff out of the bag. And I saw this there by Tree Hut. Their stuff is, you know, very popular. Tree Hut. I have their sugar scrub, and this is the Tropic Glow Firming Whipped Shea Butter Body Butter. So smells really good. I thought I'd try it. I haven't tried it yet. Take it out of the case here. Let's see what we got. Wow, look at that. California, pretty. Again, the colors look a little fall to me, but that's okay. That's a pretty case. Look at that. So this is Revolution Pro Luster Highlighter in Golden Rose. Let's see what this looks like. Look. Look at that. Is that not gorgeous or what? Wow. Let's see if I have an empty, clean finger. I gotta try it. Look at that. This is gonna be great. Wow. And look at the flower, how they did that. Actually gorgeous. Next in the grab bag. Okay, NYX Professional Makeup. Bear with me, Luminous Tinted Skin Serum. I saw this. This must be new. I haven't even had a chance to look anything up to see if it's new or if it's been out for a while. I have no idea. This is called Universal Medium, the shade. It's the bottle. And this shade looks a little dark. I saw this up there. This is an e.l.f. foundation. Color correcting, full coverage, and natural finish. Okay, so skin loving ingredients, which include collagen, peptides, and niacinamide. Okay, I'm hearing this is pretty good, so I can't wait to try this. And it has a sunscreen of 30, so that's a plus. Putty Primer Trio. This looks like it's being sold out everywhere. So other e.l.f. products. See what this is. Flawless Brightening Concealer. Haven't tried this either. Luminosity is a click away. Create a bright and flawless complexion with a so little I can't see it to read it. So it's concealer and a highlighter in one. Lightweight formula, brightens and highlights your key features. Infused with hyaluronic acid and vitamin C, this formula works to conceal uneven skin tones. So, there you go. What else? Oh, I got one more item left. No. And of course, I always have to pick up one of these when I'm there. Yep. The Beauty Blender soap. Gotta get one of those. Well, that's it for this video. Oh, I said again. That's it for this video. You can see my fan over there on my light. A nice big mirror. So if you find my content interesting, if you think it could help you, please subscribe to my channel. As I said, my channel has videos on I believe skincare, makeup, and my jewelry that I make. I said again. That was a crazy video. Oh, there I go again. Wow, it's a practice. So anyway, please like my video, give it a thumbs up if you would. It would greatly help me start my business. And if you have any suggestions on what you would like to see other than me not saying so much, I would greatly appreciate it. And stop by my store on the internet called thebeautyjewelstore.com. I also sell on eBay, Poshmark, and Etsy. Yeah, there's not just jewelry on my sites. I also sell beautiful handbags. They're studded with all kind of rhinestones all over them and stuff, so check it out. Beautiful fingerless gloves, probably my favorite item. Yeah. Even in the summertime, people are buying those fingerless gloves. So yeah, check it out, and I hope you come on this journey with me. Have a great week, and I will see you again next week. Come back and see me. See what I'm up to. Take care. Bye-bye.